Good morning, students. Welcome to my class Logic to Learn Mathematics with Shahista teacher. Now here today I am going to teach you very interesting chapter, that is chapter number 6, Factorization of Algebraic Expression. My dear students, before starting this chapter, Factorization of Algebraic Expression, I am going to tell you one story. Here the story is about three brothers. Now, here in this story, the three brothers are x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. Now, in this story, x square is the first brother. You can see here the entry of first brother. Now, 15x is the second brother. Now, here you can see the entry of second brother. And lastly, 54. 54 is the third brother. Now, here in this picture, you can see the entry of third brother. Now here third brother joined them. Now they are very happily live their life and they are happy and enjoying their life. Okay. Now what happened? Third here father factorization entry. But one day father factorization suddenly come and give them some work. What was the work? Now he has given them work to find their root. Okay. He has given them work to find their root. Now here you can see the situation. They are x square, 15x and 54. They are in mission to find their root. Okay. Now here in this situation you can see this. They are thinking. They are in tension. Now here the three brothers are thinking how to find their root. Now all three brothers are in tension to find their root. So here x square, 15x and 54. They are in tension, they are in worry how to find their root. Suddenly first brother, he find a way, he found an idea. So first brother x square was very intelligent. He got one idea to solve this problem, to find the root of this. But to solve this problem, they all have to divide the work. So what they decide? Now among themselves they have divided their work. So here first brother, finally first brother called the third brother. Now here you can see this. The first brother called the third brother say here, see first brother x square call the third brother and 54 and tell him that I always multiply by coefficient. So coefficient means what? Coefficient means number. Here 54 is the number. So 54 is the coefficient. So if x square there is no number, that means there is invisible 1. So invisible 1 multiplied by 54. So here 1 into 54 is 54. Okay, so here 1 into 54 is 54. So first brother tell the third brother I always multiply by coefficient. So as the first brother x square work is done, he went for the rest. Now here you can see this in this picture, you can see this first brother went for the rest. Now here in this situation, third brother work start. Now he is in quite difficulty to find, he is facing the difficulty to find the root. Now third brother work is little difficult to find the root. He have to find two such number. Here 54. After multiplying he get 54. If he multiply the number, he should get the same number. He should be get same number that he received from the first brother. Now here as first brother says that x square there is no number, that means there is invisible 1. So here that is, in this example, after multiplying 1 into 54 we get 54, and and on adding or subtracting he should get that number that same as coefficient, So here you can see this second brother. Okay, coefficient of second brother 50 after multiplying here. So in this example minus 15 is the second brother. So after thinking lot, he finally got the idea that he have to find the factor. Now here you can see this factorization method, factor to get the two numbers. So two number he get the factor. So here 54 here we will apply the factorization method. So 54 divided by 2 we get here 27. 27 divided by 3 we get here 9, and 9 here divided by 3 we get here 3. So here 3 ones are 3. Now here you can see few factors are given. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So here 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, and 3 into 3 gives us 9. So after multiplying 6 into 9, we get here 54. Finally, third brother. Finally, the third brother 54 find a way. After multiplying this two number 9 into 54, he get here 54. Okay, 9 into 54 he get here 54. So 9 plus 6 plus 9 is 15. So he find out two number. Now here after multiplying we get here 54. After adding this two number we get here 15. He find out two number and he hand over to the second brother, and he went for the rest because his work is done. Now here in this situation, second brother, that is 15, he comes in this picture, and his work he's starting to find the way. Okay, now the second brother work is to find the symbol. Which symbol he has to put, because 6 into 9 is 54, and after adding this two number we get here 15, but he have to find the symbol of this 15, that is minus 15. So of both the number that given to him by third brother and the first brother, that is 9 and 6. Here you can see this right hand side is green 6 and left hand side blue 9. He got one nice idea. First he will place first brother number and third brother, okay, and then third brother with the same symbol on the same number. So here x square and 54. Okay, he have kept that number x square and 54. Now in between he have to keep. Now he thought to place the biggest number first, that is 9. 9 is the biggest number and 6 is the smallest number, and then 6. Now with their variable, because 15x has variable as well as coefficient. So 9x is the first number because it is the biggest number, and 6 is the smallest number. So after 6, now here you have to put the symbol. Symbol means which symbol? Plus or minus. Okay, so here x square. Now here you can see this plus 54. Now he want, after multiply we get 54, and after adding or subtracting we get here 50. So give here minus 9. Okay, minus 9, and here the question is which sign I have to put for here 6. So and for the another number the symbol will depend on the result. So here let's check an example. Minus 9x plus 6x gives us minus 3x, because minus into plus gives us minus. So minus plus minus, so minus 3, we don't want minus 3, we want minus 15. So here minus 9x and minus 6x gives us minus 15x. Is that clear? That means this operation we will operate here. So here we will apply this condition, minus 9x and minus 6x. Here you can see this minus green color sign. So minus 6x and minus 9x is equal, plus 54 is equal to 0. So now here keep 1x outside the bracket and inside the bracket x minus 9, because 1 into 9, 9. So here minus 6, and again keep here 6 9s are 54 is equal to 0. So x minus 9 and x minus 9 is the common factor. Okay, so x minus 9 one bracket, yes, because they are repeating twice, so we are taking only one pair. So x minus 9 in the first bracket and x minus 6 on second bracket, because they are not common part, is equal to 0. So here therefore x minus 9 is equal to 0, and or we can say or x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, x minus 9 is equal to 0 and x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now x minus 9, अगर minus 9 अगर right hand side पे shift हुआ तो plus 9 हो जाएगा, तो x is equal to 9 or x is equal to 6. Is this way, in this way we finish these sums. Now finally the third brother had completed the work that had given by the father. Yay! Now they have solved their root, and now we are going to solve practice set 6.1 on the base of this small story. Okay, so let's solve practice set 6.1.